This is my Calcomp plotter that I got on eBay for £1, and it's quite big. I've got a piece of A4 paper in it there, but you can see it actually takes A1. I've had to make a new roller. That pinch roller there had collapsed, so I've 3D printed one, and now I'm going to try what's called a confidence plot. Sorry about this zooming, it doesn't seem to be working properly. Right, let's go for it. It's a bit noisy and I don't know how well it'll work with this roller, but we'll give it a try. I've put a USB pen there in the slot that detects the lid shut, so it's running here with the lid open. So let's have a look what's on the display. So I'm going to select manual, and you can see it's sizing the media, as it's called. Oh, it's asking me to install a pen. This is one of the pens. I'll take the top off. I'll just zoom out a bit, and this is where this is the pen carousel. So I'll fit the pen. I think you can fit it in any position. I'll put it in there, pop it back in, and it's saying press a key. So selecting manual, and this is how it checks the meter. It's got that little finger on the edge of the thing that normally carries the pen, and it sort of works out what size paper you've got in. Well, so far the new roller seems to be working. So now I'm going to go for next. Oh, I'll show you the display while I'm doing this. So I'm going next, press the test soft key, and it seems to be printing out a load of data. I don't know what this is all about. Looks to be the settings that it's currently using. So it's saying GPL, input, monitor, dump, and the user number. It's on 19.2 baud rate. But anyway, I want to do I want to abort that plot, and I'm going to go test confidence plot. So this is on the same paper that it was printing the the serial port parameters, so I suppose it might overwrite might write over the top of it of itself. Well, you see, so far it seems to be working quite well. Now it's drawn a rectangle, written some text up at the top. Now it's drawing the sort of circles. It can print quite small. Some of the text is quite tiny, so it's got pretty good resolution. Apparently we're on firmware Rev 2.02. This looks as though it's showing different sizes of font aspect ratio. That thing it's drawing there it's an 8-pen starburst, it says, so presumably if I'd put 8 different pens in the carousel it would use each of them in turn for a different stroke of the starburst, but I've only got the 1 pen in, so it's done it all in the same colour. And you see there, after I didn't press anything there, after a few seconds it goes and parks the pen to stop the nib drying out, and that's it. I suppose I can remove this paper now. So it looks as though this 3D printed roller that I made is working quite well. The original one was rubber and it all fell to pieces. You can still see there's a rubber one on that side, but that one's now made out of orange PLA and seems to be working fine. So next thing is to get it hooked up to if you can see that. The next thing now is to get it hooked up to the computer and get the computer printing something. I'll show you that. Apparently those must be the computer settings that we're currently on. Oh, thanks for watching.